This is the Karat 9 mounted version, an intensive mixing cultivator. The implement is connected to the hitch of the tractor. It is important to select the correct settings inside the tractor. The most important is the draft control setting. Use the panel to adjust the draft control to 0. Depth control of machine is on the rollers, and the draft control must be set to 0. Make sure this setting remains on 0 to prevent the tractor from automatically lifting the implement when pulling forces increase. Tire pressure must be adjusted according to the specifications of manufacturer. Tire pressure must be adjusted equally. The vertical linkage arms must be adjusted to the same length. The arms must be placed in floating position. This must be done to enable the Karat to operate independently and follow the contours of the soil. Select the correct hole for top link. The cross shaft can either be installed in top or bottom hole, depending on the size of the tractor's wheels. To achieve the correct pulling force of the tractor, the top link and horizontal linkage arms must form a triangular point on front wheel of tractor. The machine is now installed to the tractor. Now move to leveling discs. As a pre-setting, a good starting point is to adjust all leveling discs to the 5th hole. Look for the depth guidance sticker on the machine. This will help indicate how depth is controlled on the rollers. The tines must be engaged into the soil when depth adjustments are made. Pull out the pin below the bottom beam and leave the top pin in place. Engage machine into soil to achieve desired depth. Stop the tractor. Insert the bottom pin just below the horizontal beam, then lock the horizontal beam with the top pin. Ensure that the machine's frame is level with the soil by adjusting the length of the top linkage. The Karat is equipped with a DRR 540/400 chew-tube roller. Tighten these bolts except for this one. The bolt encircled here must never be fully tightened. This is to allow movement and ensure pendulum function of the rollers. Find this tool that is fondly named the Facebook tool in your user manual bin on machine. Use the Facebook tool to release wedge for quick change of tine system. This is the adjustment of the shear bolt. The Karat is equipped with an overload safety device, but it still has a shear bolt. Adjusting the shear bolt changes the angle of the tines to operate more aggressively or less aggressively. In addition to this visual manual, it remains necessary to consult your operator's manual delivered with the machine. Thank you for watching. Follow us on Facebook for news and updates.